Hello friends, I think you know till date no effective medicine or drug has been discovered for the COVID-19 that can strongly fight against the coronavirus. And one Chinese case study has been published on March 2020 on coronavirus that proves that chloroquine or hydroxychloroquine can effective against the coronavirus. And American President Trump also bought more than 29 millions of hydroxychloroquine doses from the India. Yes friend, today in this video I will discuss about the chloroquine and the hydroxychloroquine, what are the side effects after the taking hydroxychloroquine, pregnancy women and the hydroxychloroquines, what's the warnings about the hydroxychloroquine and which company manufactured these medicines. First, I will discuss what is hydroxychloroquine. Hydroxychloroquine is a generic drug that used for the malaria treatment. Malaria is a mosquito-borne disease by the parasite. Chloroquine is extracted from cinchona tree. And this medicine means the hydroxychloroquine also used for some children arthritis, some skin disorder and for some autoimmune disease. Hydroxychloroquine identified by the US FDA as possible drugs against the COVID-19. And after the identification, CDC and the WHO applied hydroxychloroquine and the chloroquine drugs to the COVID-19 positive patients around the world. According to CDC and the WHO, no large study has been performed to prove the effectiveness of the hydroxychloroquine. So they are recommended don't take these drugs without discuss with a doctor. Oxford University expert team also told they need a strong clinical trials to check the effectiveness of the hydroxychloroquine and the chloroquine. Our Indian Health Authority has recommended to take this medicine as a preventive treatment to the healthcare worker and also those people who are directly contact with the COVID-19 positive patient. However, our research body means Indian Research Body also told this medicine is only for the experimental purpose. It can be used only emergency purpose only. First time this medicine was approved by the US FDA in 1949 and currently in the India, Zydus Cadila, Ipca, East India Company and Aventis are manufacturing this medicine. Now I am discussing warnings of the chloroquine. If you have the critical disease like heart, kidney, liver, stomach and the knee problem, you have to discuss with the doctor before taking these medications. If you drink alcohol, it also should discuss with your doctors. Chloroquine may make your skin more sensitive. If you go outside during the medication, if you use the sunscreen lotion or the sunglass, during the medication of these medicines, don't take any vaccinations, especially rabies vaccine. Now, I am discussing pregnancy and the hydroxychloroquine. As per the CDC, hydroxychloroquine is the safe drug for the pregnant woman. However, CDC recommended if you take these medications, you should discuss with the doctors and also discuss with the doctor about the side effects and about the benefits after the medications. Chloroquine drugs also pass out through the breast milk. So, CDC also recommended during the medications, don't breastfeed your baby. It may be harmful to your baby. Now, I am discussing about the side effect of the hydroxychloroquine. There are two types of side effects has been identified. First is the common side effects and the second is the critical side effects. First I am discussing about the common side effects. Please watch. Loss of appetite, middle dizziness, middle diarrhea, middle headache, nausea and the stomach cramp. These are the common side effects. If you show this type of common side effects is showing in your body, please discuss with your doctors. Now I am discussing about the critical side effects. Please, unusual behavior and mood change, severe diarrhea, vision problem, hearing loss, change your skin color, fever and sore throat and the hair loss. And also weight loss, unusual weakness, drowsiness, difficulties of speaking, loss of balance, vomiting, irregular heartbeat. These are the critical side effects. I think you understand there are a lots of side effects has been identified after taking this medication of the hydroxychloroquine. So friends, I think you understand about the hydroxychloroquine and the chloroquine and what's are the side effect. So I am recommending you don't take this medicine without consult with your doctors. If you think this video is very informative for you, please like this video and also share this video. If you have any question regarding this, please comment me. Thank you.